Hi everyone, Archana here. I know, it's been so long. I know some of you are waiting for my video for the basically the winner video. You are waiting. I know that the blog hop we just did it last couple of months back, and please, I'm very sorry. Please accept my apology for this much delay. It's just some family things, and I was traveling a lot, and I'm still going to travel from mid-May to mid-June. So it's crazy life, but still I'm here and I want to announce the winner. And since it's delay from my side, I'm going to pick one more extra winner. I supposed to pick two winners of my random kits. So I'm going to pick three winners, and I will announce the winner at the end of this video. And winners, please send me your postal address on the provided email address below in the description box within a 72 hours, as I wanted to pack your kits and ship it to you before I fly, before I travel. So I just want you to send me your postal addresses, and I'm very happy to announce the winners today, and congratulations to the winners. But before that, I will show you the unfinished book. I just wanted to show this particular album. I wanted to create that cottage life whole kit. Using that whole kit, I wanted to create the album, but that kit got very popular, and I just had to just let it go, which I kept for myself, but that's fine. I'm happy that people liked it. But I had bare album, so I have used this very beautiful sunshine collection by Scrap and Me, and this collection will be on very soon on my website. So I will update the website as soon as I come back. So I just want to show you how I decorate. Front page, of course, I'm going to create beautifully, as you some of you might know my style of creating the front page. So that's how I'm going to do it here. And inside, as you see, this is like a trifold book, but it is a totally waterfall album, and it's meant for only pictures, so you don't have much space inside to like put bulky items or something. There is a magnet here and here. It's supposed to stick it like that. They are strong magnet, but look, I put some bulky things inside. It's not going to stick properly, so I'm using seam binding and make my closure. So when you open, this pocket is already there, right there, and I have this additional album, small waterfall album, which I decorated for this kind of waterfall. Since these small things, this I think these things called add-ons, and they sell separately, so I will put it on my website, these separate items too, since it has a very small, like what it says, the wallet size pictures. You can keep put like couple of them, more than that size. I think it's that much wide, so two wallet size goes there. And it is also again waterfall, so it's beautiful addition to this waterfall album, the main album. That's what I decorated this one, and it goes perfectly on this side pocket. So this side pocket is pretty wide, so this goes like that, and it stays like that because I have used this flower here, and there is some foam dots underneath, so it raised and it goes exactly right there, and you can see it fits perfectly. And then on this page there is big size picture space, and then when you open this one, for this middle part I have added another page right there. You can see there is a page. So I just simply cut craft color paper because my basic album is craft album. There are three different colors: ivory, craft and black. So I have used this craft color, and I have used craft color page, and I created this flap, and then I created the pocket here. So you can see there is a pocket, And in original album you are going to get only this page, which is pocket. You can see this is already slit here, and this is big wide pocket where you can keep any additional pictures. And I have created one more pocket here, so this close like that. And then when you open this one, I have added one more pocket here actually. So these two pockets here, and then I have used one of these ones. So this waterfall, small waterfall, I have used it here. I think this ripped off, so there is a foam dot here, so you can easily like open and close this part. And this is the waterfall, again the same waterfall I have used in this horizontal way. And this will be the closure, and there is a big pocket I have created. And then this is original waterfall, so it has already a magnet. These two waterfalls are originally on this album, only this part I have just added on. So you can see simple waterfall, and you have all these beautiful papers here. And there is no pocket. Okay, and then what I did on last page, I added one more flap here, so you can see. So this is the tripod kind of thing I have added here. Since this part has some potential to add something, like something small, not bulky, so I have added these flaps, so you can again add few more pictures here. Like it's very large space to keep pictures on them, so like that. And then it closes normally like that, and then there is a magnet, and then on this part there is a magnet again. And then we have this beautiful waterfall, tons of pictures. You will just keep it in there, and you can create something pocket here. Just keep it like that plain, so I just kept it like that because I don't want it more bulky, so I kept it simple. And as I mentioned, tons of pictures you will just put it in. And if you want to give somebody just a small gift using their pictures in there, this is like perfect thing to do. And I just love decorating this album, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry I couldn't explain it properly, but I hope you got an idea how I decorated this waterfall album. So that is it, and here is the time to announce the winner. So I picked winner while I was traveling, so I couldn't like do the full video, so I just made slideshow. So here are the slides. Congratulations to all three winners, and please send me your postal address as soon as possible on provided address below in the description box. And thank you so much for shopping and watching and participating in our hop. And all the designers are going to show their beautiful albums, so please go and check the inspiration if you got or if you purchased any of the kits. And just enjoy and have fun summer and have fun crafting. Bye for now.